Hi guys, and welcome to the Seed video and this video diary series where I share my journey to starting my first startup. So before I proceed, there was just something I was thinking about yesterday, and I thought I mentioned it before I proceed with what I want to talk about today. So yesterday I was just thinking about the fact that yeah, I'm very excited about this first startup, but I also try to remind myself of the fact that this is my first startup. This is the first business venture I'm really making. So it might not end up being like extraordinarily successful. It might end up being extraordinarily successful. But what's going through my mind is this is basically like rehearsals. I was listening to this podcast where they're talking about like when you have an idea, it's good to act on it, and the next idea you act on it is like you're practicing to, so by the time you get to like your 20th idea, you know how to pick a good idea, because through trial and error you have known what works and what doesn't work. So basically for me, like, this journey is, it's a learning process. I might learn with this same idea and improve it until get to something which people actually love and people want to consume, which that's the goal, that's the plan. I might also get another idea, and based off the learnings I've gotten from this previous idea, I'll be able to tweak it and make it better and more suitable for people to enjoy and people to consume. So I just thought I'd mention that. So another thing which I wanted to mention is, yesterday or day before yesterday, I dreamt of solutions. Like, this night I dreamt of solutions. So my mind is so consumed with this startup that even in my sleep I'm thinking of solutions, I'm thinking of the right way to do things. And this was what happened when I got my first internship and I got into the whole coding thing, and the first challenge I had to solve. So my first coding language was Python, and I mentioned this during the interview process. So they knew I had some knowledge of Python. So when there was this issue with the back end, and there was someone who was needed to solve some issues with the back end, and the back end was written in Python. So they said they gave me the task. And I had learned Python. I had learned the basics of Python, but I had not gone really deep into Python. So I had to solve this challenge with Python, and it was confusing. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to start, and this was my first step into the world, into the job role as a software developer. I didn't want to disappoint. This was the first start they were giving me. I didn't want to disappoint. I remember one day I decided to take a nap, and I dreamed about a solution, and I immediately got up, got in front of my computer, and started coding. And well, it wasn't the exact solution, but it definitely led me in the right direction to finding the solution. And once I found the solution, it was a really happy day. So this is the very thing now. My mind is so consumed with this project now. I like, once I sleep, sometimes I sleep and there's a challenge I've not yet solved. Sometimes I sleep and I've solved challenges, and I dream about, once I've not solved challenge, I dream about solutions. Sometimes I dream about how to make solutions I have previously have had better. Yes, is that crazy? Yes, so far everything is going okay. I mean, what can I say? I am having challenges. There are certain code solutions I've implemented, and it's not working exactly as I want it to work. So I'm still trying to figure out better ways to do certain things. And like I said, I keep on feeling very motivated because I know I'm accountable to this person, this partner of mine, and we're going to have a meeting, and then I'm going to have to present what I've done so far. And so I'm really optimistic about everything, feeling motivated to keep on going. And yeah, that's basically it for now. Some days, some mornings I get up and I don't feel very motivated. This morning wasn't one of such mornings. I actually got up feeling very motivated. I actually got up feeling like, yes, I want to do this. But I think day before yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, I got up and I wasn't feeling myself. I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling the right direction. But they say, you're really disciplined when, even on days when you don't have the motivation to do it, you still get up and do it. That's real discipline. So I try to stay disciplined. That's it, guys. That is the update for today. Like I said, my goal is not to make these videos really long. yeah, so I can stay consistent with this whole journey. Hopefully inspires you to go on your own journey. Thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed some things I shared, and subscribe and hit the notification button if you want to come on this journey with me, and see you guys next time.